In this video, we'll walk you through the process of subscribing to Hulu so you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies in no time. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Go to the Hulu website first. Open your web browser and go to the official Hulu website, www.hulu.com. This is the easiest way to begin your subscription process. Step 2. Click on Start Your Free Trial. On the homepage, you'll see an option that says Start Your Free Trial. Click on it. Hulu offers a free trial for new subscribers, so this is a great way to try the service before committing to a paid plan. Step 3. Choose your plan. Hulu offers several subscription plans, including Hulu with ads, the most affordable option. Hulu, no ads. Stream without interruptions. Hulu Plus, live TV, includes live streaming channels. Choose the plan that best fits your needs by clicking on the option that interests you. Step 4. Create an account. Next, you'll need to create a Hulu account. Enter your email address, create a password, and fill in your personal information. This will include your name and billing address. Step 5. Add a payment method. Hulu requires a payment method to complete the subscription process. Enter your credit or debit card details, or choose another payment option available, such as PayPal. Step 6. Review and confirm. Before finalizing your subscription, review your plan details, payment method, and trial period, if applicable. Make sure everything is correct. Once you're ready, click on the subscribe button. Step 7. Download the Hulu app. After subscribing, you can download the Hulu app on your device. Hulu is available on smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, gaming consoles, and streaming devices. Simply visit the App Store on your device and search for Hulu. Step 8. Sign in and start watching. Now that you have your account set up and the app installed, open the Hulu app, sign in using the account credentials you created, and start streaming your favorite content. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully subscribed to Hulu. Whether you're catching up on TV shows or enjoying the latest movies, you're all set to explore the vast library Hulu has to offer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.